third factor or third criteria when this option is most suitable is that you're doing a lot of enrichment and basically processing on top of the raw data that you're getting. Because there's many of the data vendors, they're giving you the raw data, but to be able to get the business value on top of the data, only you can do that, right? And sometimes the vendor would not be able to have the domain expertise, and your team are going to work very closely with them. So this is the hybrid approach, because you could be complementing each other. Now, the last point is that you have a growing scope of or list of projects. And I think this is pretty self-explanatory, because you need to juggle more things. So it makes sense to have more flexibility around your resources.